Never, never. Happy New Year.
Never, never.
Happy New Year, never.
Happy New Year. This year, this New Year go better for us.
Amen.
This year go better.
This one they pass here. I can't see you. They talk to yourself. Wetin happen? Wetin?
You no go believe am.
Wetin?
I just from watch night o. Crossover night for church.
Very good.
Na so pastor just dey preach, dey open Bible, dey preach for us. He tell us say for this new year like this, make we get this new year resurrection. New year rustication. New year rustication.
Resolution. New Year resolution.
Why don't they bite your tongue when I dey here with you?
You know say I no too go to school like that. Primary 2 I stop.
Stop.
So I come dey think. Wetin I go come do for my new year resolution?
To be mumu.
Now I say for this compound people don too complain say Mama Nkechi we too get problem. This one you too dey fight. Now I say for this new year like this, I no go fight. I no go find trouble again.
You see?
If anybody even find my trouble because people plenty for this yard o. People plenty wey no like me for this yard.
People say.
This year even though person match me, na me go even turn tell you sorry. Na so I want my life go just dey very peaceful. If I see two people dey fight for street, na me go separate them. Na so this year like this, nothing go make me vex. No be me again.
Na you now.
You go see am o.
Even me, I be one even come tell you say me I get New Year resolution.
You know me now. How they talk, this year go better for all of us. So.
Me, I don't talk now. Say, I no go find anybody trouble.
Na so the life supposed be.
This year 2022, I no wan find anybody top. I go even be more grateful to the people who don't do me good.
Especially my neighbor now.
Especially you.
Neighbor, wetin I don do again na?
Especially you.
Neighbor, wetin I don do again na?
I want to only say thank you.
What are neighbors for?
You remember that your soup? That your soup we be dey look for. We even dey shout, they look for, they curse everybody. They curse everybody for compound. That day. That's what they look for. If you remember.
Neighbor, you know say my soup don miss plenty times for this yard now.
Okay, that your soup wey dey look for 25th.
They talk of that one on the 25th December. That Christmas Day soup. That egusi soup wey I take my time.
Neighbor, you too dey accurate.
I remember now where I just dey stand dey swear for anybody wey carry that soup. Wetin happen na you find this, you see am abi you sabi who carry am?
Na me carry am. I say my come tell you thank you. See that soup. It really helped me. I can't go give my bingo. You know say my dog no chop for 1 week because neighbor listen. No vex. Yes. No vex.
I know the verse.
I go even see before I even carry your soup. I carry Mama and Emeka home. My bingo reject am. My bingo no gree chop. I can't give am beans. My dog reject am. I can't discover say hi. Anytime they cook that egusi soup like this, the aroma they enter everybody nose, including my bingo. Once he enter my bingo nose like this, he go start the bar. I can't calculate that because he be like, see, my bingo like your soup. I can't carry your soup. Can't give am. Can't add fufu on top. Give am to am. Hey, my neighbor, bingo chop all the soup. Hey. You chop am. You chop am finish.
Wait. Just pause for that way they talk. I no understand. I no understand the English. I no understand the English. You dey try tell me say that my soup wey lost on the 26th. Now you carry am. Can you thief my soup?
And let me carry and give my bingo. To be mumu. My bingo chop the soup. So now I come say my come greet you, tell you thank you for what you do. Now God go bless you. Thank you.
Doctor, calm down. You can't vex this new year. You can't vex. Devil, you not succeed for my life again, no. Calm down.
Babe, next time, because that time next time they cook your soup, they cook that your soup. Try put chicken. My dog they like chicken. I beg, yeah.